everyone, in this video today I'm going to be doing my own nails and I'm going to be doing an abstract geometric design. I'm starting by doing 2 nails with a coat of CND Shellac Cream Puff, and then on the other 3 nails I'm going to do a coat of CND Shellac Peacock Plume. I'm then going to cure that under the lamp for 1 minute, and then I'm going to do the second coat. I'm then going to do a coat of CND Shellac Cityscape on half of one of my white nails, and I'm also going to do it in an almost triangular shape on my other nail. I'm going to do 2 coats of the Cityscape just to make sure you can't see any of the white in behind and make sure it's not patchy, and also to straighten up any of the lines. I'm then going to get Peacock Plume, and I'm going to use my Lecente S1 Brush to then make a square on my one nail, and then on the other nail I'm almost going to make a triangular shape again. I give it a bit of a flash cure in between each nail so that it doesn't smudge when I do my own nails. When I'm happy with how the Peacock Plume parts look, I'm then going to go over with my Cityscape again just to make sure the edges are all crisp. I'm then going to coat all of these with one top coat. I'm then going to take the sticky layer off using IPA and a lint-free pad. This is so that when I do my design and want to put the foils into it, it should potentially only stick to the design. Again, I'm using my Lecente S1 brush to do the design, and I'm going to use CND Shellac Cream Puff. You then want to cure this under the lamp for 1 minute. And this is where you can see why we need to take the sticky layer off, because if I hadn't, it would have gone all over the nail, whereas now it's just gone on the white design. I'm then going to seal that all in with another top coat, and then I'm going to cure it under the lamp for a minute. And one last time, we're going to take the sticky layer off again using IPA and a lint-free pad. For my crystals today, I'm using Swarovski Paradise Shine. This will pick up on the blue in the Peacock Plume. And I'm just placing it in the middle of the abstract design, and then I'm also going to place one on each of the blue fingers. I'm then going to seal it in with one more bit of glue, and then we're all done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.